What up, squad? Today we're going to be going to Locals and L&L Car Meet today. Again, this time I'm shooting on my Sony 6400 and a new camcorder that I bought. We're going to be filming it all on camcorder, stuff like that. So we're just going to get some shots and I'll see y'all later.
Listen to me whine about nothing and everything all at once. I am one of those melodramatic fools, neurotic to the...
First we got to move the car because I want to get the sunlight before it goes away.
Sometimes I give myself the creeps. Sometimes my mind plays tricks on me.
So for this shot, we got it at a side angle. I'm gonna try to do a top-down angle like this, just so I can get the whole body in line. Soon we're gonna do a front angle shot, headlight shot. We're just gonna experiment. But I really like this sun right now, so let's just get it.
Sometimes I give myself the creeps. Sometimes my mind plays tricks on me. It all keeps adding up. I think I'm cracking up. Am I just paranoid? Grasping to control, so I better hold on.
Okay, we're going to Locals and L&L now. See y'all there.
Sometimes I give myself the creeps. Sometimes my mind plays tricks on me. It all keeps adding up. I think I'm cracking up. Am I just paranoid? Like a
Okay, no one's in the right again, and I don't got those friends, and you're more a friend. I'm lying cause you're moving on quicker. Ooh, you know I get better. Ooh, I don't care, give me a second. If I call, is it worth the wait? I wanna know what you're doing. You really won't thinking it's alright if I can get you something real cool, but I think you can never felt nothing at all. thinking it's alright.